So good morning everyone.
Good
As
morning,
you
Vivek.
as you all are know, कि ma'am give us the one of topic. It is called module English module.
Modules, yeah.
Can could
Modals.
Models.
models can could and may might
Cell suit.
shall should and
Would.
etc.
And so on.
and so on. In my pocket there is can could.
No, I was given, I was assigned, or I was given the task of telling about,
I was given a
the
telling
task
about
of telling
The
about.
models given to me.
The models given to
presentation.
me.
this model in can could shall should, this is called in English is model. Model just like helping word, not proper helping word.
Yeah.
This is update version. Is in our society we have model Salman Khan, Shahrukh Khan, just like that. So this will increase your presentation in front of.
Okay.
And
Okay.
so if we talk about can and could, can is present and could is a past, as a past of can.
Past tense of can.
Past tense of can.
हाँ.
So whenever we use सकता है, सकता हूँ, मैं सकती है, we can use simply use can, I can, where show our ability.
We show.
Where we show our ability.
Make a sentence.
Can I can drive across the river. और जो कर सकते हैं उसको कहते हैं आई कैन, जो मैं नहीं कर सकता आई कैन नॉट, लेकिन इन शॉर्ट आप आई कैंट बोलते हैं.
Yes.
इन शॉर्ट वी स्पीक आई कैन.
Can't.
Can't.
Can't. Not can.
I can't go.
I can't.
Can't.
Can't or can't? I think it is just some.
It's just a pronunciation.
I can't go.
UK
I can't go
English
today.
and England English.
Yes, US, UK.
Is base of UK English or England English?
UK,
So,
US.
UK and England
US.
both are same.
No,
UK, US.
US.
Yes.
So, where we show our ability, I can lift 50 kg weight.
Yes.
We can use only can. We have to use can.
Can.
Where we talk about our in past, or when we give some respect. No. In formal way.
हो सकता था. हो सकता था. It could be better.
In formal way we can use could, or and informal we can use can. For formal, could I use your pen in your office when you conversation with your boss or with your colleague?
When we converse with our.
With
When we
our
converse.
colleagues or superior. Then
No,
we
when you speak with your superior, you could not use the could. You
No.
always use the
Informal.
Sir, may I use your pen?
But I can also say, could I go? That is also formal. Polite.
Could use for
That's
formal.
polite
Like
request. Could is polite request.
polite.
Also,
Also could is
may
formal.
May is
the
also
request,
correct. May
of
is
the
also-
request.
हाँ,
But the
may is
request for
also-
the superior, I think we always use the may.
You are right.
Else you can
May is used
request
for
me.
things, but if I say, may I use your pen, or could I use your pen, is also correct.
Is also
He can
formal line.
he can ask me that Sonu, could I use your pen? I say okay. Once he talked with Kuldeep sir, then he must say that
Could.
sir, may I take your pen?
No.
So
I
for
must
the
say
request-
could.
Could,
When I
may also
speak-
correct, and if I say could, also correct. Could I use your pen, is also
Could
fine.
is in my opinion, could is for formal and
Formal.
and
Formal
can is
conversation.
Informal.
used for informal just like when we conversation with our colleague
When we converse
converse with friend, family, then we can use can. And if we are conversing with our superior, senior, and office line, we can use could.
Yes, we can use could for say polite request. Could is polite request.
So when I was for past tense, when I was जब मैं
Now you understand where we have to use can, where we have to use could.
Yeah.
Could I use your pen? That is also present tense.
No.
Could you are asking in the present tense, but it is used for using polite request, for making a polite request.
Can I use your pen? Could I use your pen? Both are the same.
Both are present.
Both are present.
Yeah, but formal, informal.
But this is formal and informal.
you are saying we can use could in present also.
We can use could in present also.
Yes.
Could you pass me the salt?
So it means
So nahi so.
can. It means can. If we remove can from our, that is also good.
If you don't want to say, you can say could with everyone. Could you pass me? You can use could with your juniors, with anybody. There's no harm.
We can use could
Yes.
with junior, senior, for past,
Anyone.
present. Where we are using right now can. We can remove can from could.
No, we cannot remove the can, sir. We cannot
Sir,
remove the can.
This is just this is for
Can is a
understanding.
separate
What is
place.
the situation that time?
It totally depends on the situation.
Only I think only when you are describing everything, when you are describing this will do by you, or where you can use can. I can do this. I can go
Ability,
there.
ability. That is
No.
ability.
Can we have the document?
So
Can we
the
have this
ability.
report?
हाँ,
So
हाँ.
there you use the can. Could we have the report? Not like a.
No, could we have the report by tomorrow? Why not?
No. Today I am asking someone that can we have this report, please? So that
No,
is-
can and could can also be used in present tense if I am making a polite request. Can I have your pen? One. Could I have your pen? Also is right.
But could most probably used in the past.
No,
Most
no.
probably.
What you said is correct. That is for ability.
Past.
Ability. If I have to talk about ability, I will talk can, could.
When just I will make a sentence.
हाँ.
जब मैं 5 वर्ष का था तब
हाँ.
मैं 50 किलो वजन नहीं उठा सकता था.
हाँ.
Please convert into English.
When I was 5 years old, I couldn't able to lift the 50
I
kg.
couldn't
couldn't.
lift.
I
हाँ.
couldn't.
So we can't use could. Can.
So I'm also talking to na for always for in the past we will use the could and in the present we will use the
Can.
can. But in formal way, when saying you always
No.
you need to.
Actually, what you are saying is about two different things. First, ability can is first case. Can is used for ability, kshamta.
Oh.
So in that case, I will use present and past. I can lift. I can 50 kg. I cannot.
No.
I could not.
If we talk about the
Ability, it is you are right. If you are talking of ability, then you are correct. But if I am talking of request, then I am going to permission request. Then I am going to use can. I can use could
Could.
in present also.
Okay.
Okay. Present
Can
also.
usually express ability and capacity.
Can expresses ability.
Or capacity.
Capacity,
I can swim across the river.
हाँ.
He can work this sum. Can we lift this box?
Clear, no?
Okay.
Okay. So,
So this is
good, very good.
thank you.
Good.